Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from amFilm. This is the amFilm OneTouch tempered glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, since the S24 Ultra has now brought back a flat screen, we can start using tempered glass screen protectors again without having to do anything with adhesives or anything like that. So I was excited to check this out because I'm a big fan of amFilm products. We're going to dig into it now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's take a look at everything that you get in the box here. This is a 2-pack of tempered glass screen protectors. So we're going to get 2 sets of everything. I'm going to try to not make this as long as possible, but I do want to show you the installation. This is an easy touch, so it's going to be a frame that sits over your phone, making it a lot easier to line everything up. You do get some dust removal stickers here. They are full screen stickers. You can use these if you want to. First time I've really seen full screen stickers. Usually the smaller ones are the ones that I see. Now this also comes with the lens protectors for your camera array on the back as well, if you would like to use those. Now I have a case on my phone, so I don't really see the need to use them, but they are there if you want to use them as well. Now you get 2 trays here, both with tempered glass screen protectors pre-installed in each tray. We're going to put that to the top, kind of separate this. We're going to do an install of 1. You do get 2 of your accessories, which is going to be certain things that you need, like a wet wipe and a few other things as well. Now they do have an installation guide here, kind of just showing you exactly how to install this. You probably want to just take one look at it just to kind of see if there's anything that you can think of. They tell you to wipe it down with a microfiber cloth, which is included, and then use the dust removal stickers to get rid of any dust particles. And then you're going to want to remove the interior film from the tray. Just make sure you pull that straight down and not out, because then you can dislodge it from the tray. But the rest is pretty straightforward. You just put the tray over the phone, and then you just swipe one finger across and make sure you go around the sides, and you should be good to go. We're going to test that now because we're going to do an install on my S24 Ultra right here. So let's take a look at what we get in the accessories packet here. It should just be a microfiber cloth and then a wet wipe. And I think that's pretty much all we're going to get in here, just in case we're going to open everything up and show you. Now, they do have some documentation there, and they do have the little dust removal stickers as well, as you can see right there. So we get some documentation, dust removal stickers, we do get the wet wipe, and we do get the microfiber cloth for cleaning everything down. So the first thing you want to do is get the wet wipe out, and you want to make sure that your phone screen is as clean as possible. It's one of the most important, if not the most important thing you're going to do when you are installing any screen protector. Obviously, is get any smudges off the screen, any fingerprints, any oils from your hands, anything like that can end up in bad results when you're doing this. So just make sure that you wipe this down thoroughly, and then what we're going to do is use the microfiber cloth to kind of go over the rest, just to make sure that we're good to go. Then we follow up with the microfiber cloth here, and you can see that there are a few dust particles that are left behind, or maybe lint from the microfiber. Shouldn't be, but you can see them even while I'm doing this. There are a few stray ones there, and you're going to want to make sure that you remove those because they can cause bubbles underneath your tempered glass screen protector, and although that won't damage your screen, it is quite annoying. So we'll use a dust removal sticker here to spot remove anything that I see. I see maybe a little one right there, that type of thing. I'm going to try to get off as many of these as possible so that you can see that it's as clean as you possibly can make it while you're doing the install. And you can just go over this and make sure there are a couple up at the top area as well that I want to go over. So I'm going to make sure that I go over those as well. Once you have your screen totally prepped, you're going to take the tray, and you can see that there's a removable red sticker here. You're going to want to pull this in level with the tray. So make sure you're just pulling straight down in line with the tray. Once you do that, that will release the middle portion of the tray for it to stick to the screen. So you're going to want to just line up your phone, and this will automatically line up everything, the edges and the cutout for the camera. And you can see right there that we're lined up and ready to go. And then you just have to swipe one finger down the middle to get this started. So you make sure your tray's there, and there you go. So you just do that. And all we have to do now is wait until it fills in. You might get a bubble or two that can be easily pressed out. I'll show you that in just a second. But then you can remove the tray by holding your finger in the middle. You'll see that the blue portion will lift off and you will be ready to go. So it's that simple. They make this OneTouch that simple. You see there's a couple little bubbles there that came out automatically just by pushing on them. So just go around the outsides and make sure you're good to go. But overall, as you can see, 0 bubbles here, no problems whatsoever. This was a quick and easy install. No problems with installing this. Very quick and super simple to do from amFilm. Now, the last thing I did want to mention is that these are case friendly. As you can see, they come up to kind of the side of the phone, but not to the point where you're going to lift up any corners with a case. I have the official Samsung vegan leather case on here right now. No problems whatsoever. Now, I do want to mention one other thing about the touch sensor on the front. Now, it does work. You can re-register your fingerprint. It is a tempered glass screen protector, though, so I would re-register your fingerprint, but I would also go to settings and then to display. And once you go into the display portion, you're going to scroll down to where it has touch sensitivity, and it says increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. And this actually works really, really well. If I turn it off, you'll notice that sometimes it will work, but every once in a while it won't work. So even with re-registered fingerprints, when I turn the touch sensitivity on, however, it works almost every time. I'd say 99% of the time it's going to work. So that is the only thing that I would adjust after installing this screen protector. Overall, amFilm did a great job. It's a super simple, easy install to do, and it will protect that screen of your new device. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.